Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. You all will be fine, I hope so. Today we are going to do review exercise 3. Review means revision. In this exercise, we will revise all the topics we have studied in chapter number 3. And if you remember, the topic of chapter number 3 is logarithm. So let's start the lecture. We will start with question number 3. Here is question number 3 of review exercise 3. Find the value of x in the following. In these questions, we have to find the value of x. If you remember, we have done such type of questions in exercise 3.3. And I have told you the basic rule of this question is that if the question is already in logarithm form, you will convert that question in exponential form. And if the question is in exponential form, then you will apply the log. So let's see the solution of part number 3. Here is part 3. Log of 5 base 625 is equals to 1 by 4x. And we have to find the value of x. Here we have the solution. This is the solution. Log of 5 base 625 is equals to 1 by 4x. Again, the first step is to convert this logarithm form into exponential form. So convert it. I have written in exponential form. You all will know in exponential form, base remains base. So 625 will remain here and 5 and 1 by 4 will change their positions. So 1 by 4x will become the power of 625 and 5 will change its place. Here we have 5. Now the second step is to factorize the numbers which can be factorized. Here 5 cannot be factorized because 5 is a prime number. So we will factorize 625 only. Here is the factorization of 625. You have to do it in rough working. 625 is an odd number, so start its factorization with 5. Here is the factorization. You can see the factors of 625 are 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now, if you remember, the third step of this question is to write the factors in index notation. So I can write it as 5 power 4 because 5 is repeating 4 times. And this outside power 1 by 4 will remain as it is. And on the right hand side we have just 5. Now this 4 is cancelled by this 4. So what we have is 5 power x. On the left hand side and on the right hand side we have only 5. Then if you remember, if the bases are same, powers can be equated. Powers can be taken equal. So bases are same, 5 and 5. Powers will be equal. X is equals to 1. Here we have find out the value of x which is equals to 1. This is what we have to do in this question. Now move to the next part. The next part of question number 3 is log of x base 64 is equals to minus 2 by 3. Clear? Again, you have to remember the steps we have to follow. Let's see the solution. Here we have the solution of part 4. The question is log of x base 64 is equals to minus 2 by 3. Now, if you remember, the first step is to convert this logarithm form into exponential form. When we convert it into exponential form, 64 is the base. Base will remain here, 64. X and minus 2 by 3 will change their positions. X will come here and minus 2 by 3 will come here. So, it becomes 64 power minus 2 by 3 is equals to x. Clear? Now, the second step is always to factorize the number. So here I have factorized this 64 in the rough work. We get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And the outside power minus 2 by 3 remain as it is. Clear? Now, the third step is always to write the factors in index notation. So I can write it as 2 power 6 and the outside power will remain as it is. Now this 3 of the outside power can be cancelled with inside power. So we will have 2 into 2. 2 power minus 4 is equals to x. So if you remember, when we have a negative power, we will always make it positive. So to make it positive, I will shift this 2 power minus 4 in the denominator. It becomes 2 power plus 4. 1 by 2 power 4 is equals to x. And 2 power 4 means multiply 2 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here is in the rough working I have already written. So it becomes 1 over 16 is the value of x. I hope this question is clear to you. So move to question number 5. Okay, now in question number 5, question is if log of 2 is equals to 0.3010, log of 3 is equals to 0.4771 and log of 5 is equals to 0.6990, then find the values of the following. If you remember, we have done such question again in exercise 3.3. So what is the question? In this question, the value of log of 2, log of 3 and log of 5 is already given. And you have to use these values to find the value of other 3 questions. Clear? You don't need any calculator or log table in this question because you have to use only the values of log of 2, log of 3 and log of 5. Let's see the solution. Here we have the solution of question number 5, part 2. Question is log of 16 by 15. This is the question, log of 16 by 15. Here you can see there are two numbers 16 and 15 which are dividing under the same log. So first of all, we will apply the law of logarithm, according to which when two numbers are dividing under the same log, division changes into subtraction. So it becomes log of the numerator minus log of denominator. Clear? So it becomes log of 16 minus log of 15. Now factorize the numbers, log of 16 and log of 15. When I factorize 16, here are the factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And when I factorize 15, it becomes 3 into 5. Now the second step is to write the factors in index notation. So it becomes log of 2 power 4 and log of 3 into 15 will be written as it is because here is no repeating factor. Now, if you remember, according to the third law, when there is a power in the log, we have to shift the power at the start of the log. So log of 2 power 4 becomes 4 log of 2. And here you can see this power will be shifted at the start of the log. So it becomes 4 log of 2. Minus, here you can see these two numbers are multiplying. So when I open the bracket, this multiplication will change into addition. So it becomes log of 3 plus log of 5. Here you can see. Clear? Now there is a negative sign outside the bracket. So we will multiply this sign. It becomes 4 log of 2 minus log of 3 minus plus minus log of 5. Now in the question, the values of log of 2, log of 3 and log of 5 are already given. Put these values. Log of 2 is this, log of 3 is this, log of 5 is this. Now, if you remember the basic maths rule, you have to multiply first. So first of all, you will multiply this 4 with this value. The answer is this. Now this is a simple mathematical statement. Solve it on the calculator and the answer is 0.0279. It means the value of log of 16 by 15 is 0.0279. I hope this question is clear to you. Okay students, now we have the last question of review exercise 3 and the last question is simplify the following. You have to simplify the question with the help of the log. And the first part is cube root of 25.47. It means you have to solve this question with the help of log. And if you remember, such type of questions we have done in exercise 3.4. Clear? So remember the steps of that exercise. Clear? Now let's see the solution. Here we have the solution. The first part of question number 6. Clear? The question is cube root of 25.47. The first step of such question is to let the question as x. Here you can see I have let the question as x. Now if you remember, I have tell you if there is any root form, then we will convert that root into the exponential form. And you have read the conversion in chapter number 2. So how we will convert? This radicand will remain as it is 25.47 and the index of radical will become 1 by 3. We have read this conversion in chapter number 2. Here we have convert radical form into exponential form. Now this is the simple exponential questions. So the next step is to apply the log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. After applying, on the left hand side we get log of x and on the right hand side we get log of 25.47 power 1 by 3. Here again remember the laws of logarithm. Whenever the power is involved, you have to shift the power at the start. So this 1 by 3 will come at the start. So it becomes 1 by 3 log of 25.47. Clear? Now with the help of calculator, take the log of 25.47. You have to take the log of 25.47 with the help of calculator and the answer is this 1.4060. Now divide 1.4060 with 3. Clear? As you can see, here is a denominator, so it means division. You have to divide this answer with 3 and you got the answer 0.4687. Now if you remember, we have to find the value of x only. So we will shift this log to the right hand side and when we change its side, this log will change into anti-log. So it becomes anti-log of this. Now with the help of calculator, take anti-log of 0.46787. The answer is 2.9424. It means if I take the cube root of 25.47, the answer will be 2.9424. Clear? And one thing to tell you that how to take anti-log. To take anti-log, you have to press shift button, then log button and then write the number, press equal sign. The answer will be this 2.9424. I hope chapter number 3 is now clear to you. You will have no difficulty in chapter number 3. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.